Hello everyone, once again you're welcome to my channel. I want to say big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are awesome people. You are really welcome. Okay, today I will love to prepare this on demand, on popular demand, how to make organic soap. There are many things you can use to make organic soap, of course, but today I'll be using this cucumber. So I chop my cucumber into pieces. You just slice it to your we are going to blend it, okay, just to make it easier to blend. You cut it into bits, because if you watch my video, I've done other organic soap before. So what do? I go to take to my blender, I blend it, and I come back to show us. I will blended it and strained it into this cup. You can see it now. Okay, so I'll be adding some of this into my light solution. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, let's get into the business. My oil is warmed, and what do I have here? All the details will be left in the description. Okay, I have the coconut oil, I have the palm oil, I have shea butter. Okay, so my oil is warm, so I keep my oil here while my lye here is just 27 grams. Of course, I ended the water. So what I do is that we add my cucumber into the lye. Okay, you know it's organic I'm doing. Okay, so I'm adding it to it. And when you are doing organic, you don't necessarily need any coloring again. So what I do is that I use it and mix the oil. Okay, so always make sure that your oil is warm, and then the organic you are using, you don't need color if you want to put color, but the color should bring, the organic plant you are using should bring out the color in it. So just mix it and allow it to be thoroughly mixed. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, why not? If not, you are free to join, and then you can join our YouTube line. Make sure there's no dirt. It seems this one is there. Let me just remove it. Okay, okay, so at this time I'm going to be adding my fragrance, which is your choice, any type of fragrance you want, but I'll be using lavender, and I'm going to just add only 5 ml to it. Okay, the odor has taken over the place. Then make sure your fragrance is genuine, is good. If not, it will separate. Okay, so let's pour it into our mold. And so we have come to the end of the production of our organic soap. If you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. Okay, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks to my returning subscribers. I say God bless you. Bye.